Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lever for AI recruiting workflows step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the official Lever website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the specified field. Click the Sign Up button to initiate your account creation. Check your email for a verification message from Lever. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Lever website to log in. Enter your registered email and password. Click on the Login button. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your organization. Provide your organization's name in the required field. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Add additional details such as the location and size of your organization. Review the information for accuracy and click Continue. Next, complete your profile. Once your profile is complete, advance to the Settings page. Configure your notification preferences according to your needs. Set up your recruiting workflows by navigating to the Workflows section. Here, you can customize stages and actions for candidate management. Add team members by inviting them through their email addresses. Adjust permissions for each team member based on their roles. After setting everything up, ensure to save your changes. Finally, explore the Lever dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Your Lever account is now ready for AI recruiting workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.